Welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos where I share with you just how I grow orchids in Jamaica. Today I'm taking you along with me to the Denbigh Agricultural Show. This is one of the largest agricultural shows of this kind in the English-speaking Caribbean. So come along with me as we explore this beautiful showground. So at this show we actually have from a pin to an anchor. It has not happened for the last 2 years, so this year, guys, we are just so excited about it. Persons have looked forward for this staging, and while there are less vendors this year, the grounds are still packed because people just wanted somewhere to go, and people are now coming out. The show is actually over 3 days, and it culminates on Emancipation Day, which is August 1st. I love this concept. These are shells done in different ways. I tell you, when you come to this place, you see all kind of things. And the prices are quite reasonable too as well. Selection.
Selection. Like selection.
Okay, that's a unique name for unique products. This is awesome. Awesome. And that's why I love Denbigh, so because you find all kind of things. People just so creative. So of course persons are showcasing whatever it is that they do best. At this show you find the best in relation to agriculture. You find orchids, you find all different kinds of plants, you find animals and so forth, and also you find different things that persons expresses their creativity with. So I am right here looking at the orchids in this stall, and aren't they beautiful? We're not seeing much orchids, but the few that I'm seeing are really just healthy and nice. I'm seeing some insectia, and they are really beautiful. So this is a succulent and cactus stall. Some beautiful ones are here. Persons come to look for plants, persons come to look for agricultural produce, persons come to look at the innovation, and some persons just come to meet up their friends. Or just to be entertained, because at the end of it all, there's also a concert each night. These tillandsias are beautiful. Just look at the color coordination, the color variation. Really pretty. Another one up here. At this show, outside of plants, you will see varying innovations. Right here, I'm looking at this solar water feature. Very simple. I want a water feature in my yard, so badly. But when I see how simple they have set these up, it tells me that I don't even need a lot of space to put in this water feature in my yard. Alright, so I am at the Kingston and St. Andrew Pavilion, and here I'm seeing this beautiful water feature. And of course, as orchid growers, we like when we have our water features in the garden. So I'm going to be speaking with one of the gentlemen who can tell me a little bit about these.
Alright, so basically I'm doing solar water feature where I'm using solar energy to pour our water features. So it's in two forms, the batteryless and the battery. So with the batteryless, as the sun hits the panel, the feature begins to run. The one with the battery, that one you can enjoy at night. We have in lights and you have more controls on it. In terms of if a client is now interested, find out how you want your system set up. Whether you want the lights on it, you want control to control it, whether by a timer. You have some persons who work at 8 to 5, they can't bother with every day, turn it on and off, so put a timer on it. program that time.
We are going to be entering the plant depot.
Hello, hi.
Hi, seeing one of my supporters right here in Denbigh. Okay, awesome, and thanks for the support.
No problem.
What's your name? Irie. Make sure you comment. All right. So we are in the plant depot where garden makes sense. And this display is just beautiful. So them have even guava tree in a pot.
It's no coincidence. So we duplicate them all over the place.
Okay.
It's no coincidence. These
Guava,
get real bigger.
really?
Yeah.
And they can stay in the pot?
Stay in the pot, or you can put them in the Mother Earth, or you can plant them like in the aqua zone. Yes, they get a little bigger, but they can stay in this. So if you want a higher yield, it's best advised to plant them out. And they're not as big as the original type of guava, local guava. And one can be up to half a pound.
Are you serious?
It's white on the inside, quite fleshy, and it has the essence of guava. It's nothing like nothing is compromised.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is a Thai guava.
Thailand guava.
All right.
And it's a new thing to Jamaica, relatively new. You see, and all of them are authentic. It's nothing fake. All of these are laden.
Yes,
Yeah.
so I noticed.
Right. So when you plant them now, you can knit the terminal bud, and it's what you call back budding. It will throw more secondary branches, and that's
Oh.
how it builds capacity.
Oh,
to
so
get
that's the
more-
key to getting
Right.
it to become lush
Exactly.
in the pot.
So it's what you call it, it ramifies, and send more branches. So you can build
Okay.
capacity,
Okay.
right? And so it is a process like fruit trees. You lift the terminal bud
Okay.
to back budding.
So you allow it to get broader or fatter.
Yes.
So I am at another stall. This stall has a few orchids and among other plants on it. And here I'm meeting one of my supporters. Say hi. She is. Yes, and look who is.
Hello.
Of course.
After 20 years back in Denbigh, oh boy, I was
Oh.
in the wilderness.
Oh my God. Welcome back.
I'm free at last. Free at last. Free at last.
All right. Right, so we're going to just have a quick word with one of my supporter right here who is from St. Anne. This
Have me on it because I'm a wanted man. So they might find me.
You're a wanted man.
So they might find me.
We had so much fun interacting with the people. So what's your name?
My name is Sarah. Sarah Lawrence.
All right, you don't comment on my thing though.
Just like not really.
Okay, well, I'm really happy to meet you and thank you so much for your support.
I recognize you from the film.
Oh.
But I wanted you to introduce yourself first.
Okay, all right, nice. Well, of course, you know, wherever the plants are, I have
Yes,
to be
you have to
there.
find them,
I have
yeah.
to find it because my viewers actually look forward to these things, especially when I do the visits.
Yes.
They really love the visits. So, yes, I like this. Do you have an ID for it?
I don't. What I do a lot of buying and selling.
Oh,
Because I sell from the country store in Priory, LFA country store.
okay.
So what I would do, like the orchids, I buy and sell them. But other
Okay.
plants, I do them myself and sell them at the country store.
Okay.
So if anybody need orchids for a special occasion and want to find it fast, they can go to the country store in Priory and get one of them.
Great.
And we do a lot of dens and falls at the store. Yes, and apart from that, I do landscape plants.
Oh, you do landscaping
Yes,
plants.
so if you need plants for landscaping, you can also check me out.
This is me.
I want you know.
You do.
All the time.
Oh my
And you
God.
have a lot of beautiful flowers.
Yes, I do, and I see.
What is this, bro?
This looks to me like a Catalina cross.
Cattleya.
Yes, 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 yes. All right, so it has a new home now.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Nice to meet you. Bye. Of course, you know, at Denbigh, you have everything that the plant grower will want. These are the island planter pots that are used to enhance the garden. They are just so beautiful. These are nice, 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 nice. Look at the planter box. Hello, how are you? I love these. They come in so many different shapes, different colors, and different styles.
And then you take up when you take up the pots, it might leave the plants on the ground because it crystallizes. So that these don't do that.
Okay, I love them. Actually, I have a few of them in my garden. I just bought a few. Another innovation here showing where the island planters are used to make a water fountain. To make this nice water feature or water fountain. They range from sleek and modern to established and traditional. High Pro display. Beautiful display here by High Pro. I got me a gift at Caribbean Chemicals. I bought a few items and I won this, and this is all happening at Denbigh Agricultural Show, one of the largest agricultural show in Jamaica. Tell you, when you come to Denbigh, you see all kind of things, down to clown and all. Bust a move for me now. Bust a move. All right. Of course, I took a short visit to the livestock area. Monster, are we really supposed to be in here? So close to them? Oh my God, look at this one. This one is so big. This section has the goats and the sheep. They're barricaded in wooden cages, and of course they are grass fed. Let me get a little closer. Oh my God, look at those horns. Ah, I tell you, this is beautiful. Beautiful. I wonder what type these are. Look at the ears, how beautiful the ears are. Let me see if you can see them. Look at those ears. Oh my God. So in this one, there is a mixture of both goats and sheep. Are these the Nubian? I don't even know.
This is a purebred Nubian.
Oh, they're Nubian, yes. Purebred.
Yeah. And that is a graded boar.
Oh.
So she lovely.
Yes, they are lovely.
That's a graded boar.
Oh, they are beautiful. I love the ears. That is
Long pendulous is one of the features of the Nubian.
oh, long pendulous ears.
Tall, slender body.
Okay.
Those sheep are actually a variety of breeds mixed up.
Okay.
So if you can notice, them don't really represent one true breed like that. The one that down this way, so the blackhead, it more represent a breed, which would be the blackhead darper.
Oh.
But the next one, them have a mixture of Cotard, black belly, darper, and some of the liquor St. Elizabeth Creole, which people that say a common sheep, which basically dead out.
Oh.
I will not see that no more.
Alright. Alright, so this is the person who's educating me. What's his name? He's from Case, agricultural school.
Yeah, I'm actually a student at Case,
Oh, you
second
are?
year animal science student. The name is Orlando Brown.
Orlando Brown.
Yeah.
Alright, nice to meet you, and thanks for the information.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I really hope you enjoyed visiting the Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. In case you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back on me. This is the Orchid Dog, and I am growing orchids in Jamaica.